Okay, so we are going to start the tour here. Obviously, here is the door, and we have this bar that closes over when we're traveling, and then these steps that are retractable. But when you come in, you go up the steps, obviously, and we have this really nice wooden type farmhouse-esque flooring. So right when you come in, you've got the couch. We loved this paneling here. You've got your overhead lighting and storage cupboards all up top. There's also this large cabinet here that opens into like a wardrobe space. And then down here we have the table. This actually is a futon type bed, and so it does pull out with, there's storage under there, you guys. So there it is as the bed. That will be where our youngest daughter will sleep. Over here we have the window. They all have these nice dark shades on them, so that's good. When I come around this way over here, there we go, the lighting, you can see I love the color of the cabinets, and this like glass little detail is a fun touch. We do have a microwave. We do have some fun backsplash. We do have a oven and stove, and the whole kitchen area with drawers, and the sink has this cutting board that you can flip over. You put it over the sink to have more counter space. This little piece right here flips up, so that's really nice to have for additional space. Now when I come around to this side, this is actually the table that turns into a bed. They recommended for traveling to put it into the bed conversion, like when we're driving and things like that. So that's how we have it. But this does turn into a table where 4 could fit comfortably. We don't plan to like spend all of our time in our trailer. We like going camping to be outside. So we'll still be eating outside the majority of the meals, but it's nice to have this. There's also storage underneath each of these. Then we have a really large window, and then up here, once the light catches up, there we go, are a lot of cabinets up top for storage. So that's pretty nice. And then we have our stereo system. And then this is where we can do like our coffee pot, a crock pot, anything we need. There's a lot of storage down here, which is very, very nice. And our refrigerator and freezer are actually a pretty decent size. I was expecting much smaller. So that's really cool to have a decent sized refrigerator and freezer. Then we have like a mirror here. It's a mirrored cabinet. It's pretty tall. That opens up. This is a really, really nice sized pantry in here. So for a family of 6, we need a lot of food, and so it's nice to have a place to put it. And then there's additional storage down here. So the wood flooring look continues all throughout. Back here we have a double bunk. So this one can be brought up or down. There's a window up there. So my oldest will sleep here. And then down here, this is I think a little larger than a double. And so that's where Jake and I will go. And we have more storage here. Over here we have our little sink area, and then the medicine cabinet, hello, and some more storage down here. And then through this little door, we have our bathroom. Oh, I've never been so excited to have my own toilet when I'm camping that I can sanitize and keep clean. There's a really nice fan and window thing that opens there, a little skylight above the shower area, and that is what makes up the bathroom. So now giving you guys a little overview from standing in front of the bathroom. That's what it looks like when you look out. And then when I turn around, here we are over here. So this is the inside of our Keystone Springdale 189. It is a 2021, so it is brand new. That is what the mister wanted. This guy right here.
Don't judge me.
New is nice when you know you're gonna have something for a while, because then you can take care of it yourself and make sure you do all the required maintenance and everything. So there's all these little lights under so you can control that. He just turned on our air conditioner in here. Praise the Lord for air conditioner. And yeah, so that is a little overview of the inside of our travel trailer. Oh, someone brought me a cute little picture. Let's see what this is. Oh, happy camper. I love that. Look at how cute this is. So we need to put this in the trailer. Can you find a good spot for that? Just converted the bed into the table, so now we can see that. So this is what it looks like here, and it took all of 2 seconds. So that's really, really nice to be able to do that. Did you find a spot for your picture? In the bathroom? No, we're not putting it in the bathroom. It's gonna be it for a little tour of our new travel trailer. I know the air is loud, but we are trying to cool it down so we can put some things inside it. And I am sweating, as you can see. I need to put my hair up, and I'm gonna fill this thing up. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing something new and exciting for us. This just fits our needs perfectly. We weren't looking to live full time in anything. We just wanted something to enjoy camping longer and with a little bit more convenience. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you are a professional RVer, give me all the tips because we need them. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.